Okay, here's a quiz on this week's assembly where Jesus changed the water into wine. Number 1. How many miracles that Jesus did are recorded in the Gospels? Number 2, I said that there are 3 groups of miracles or 3 categories. Can you name one of them? Number 3, what 2 drinks were available at weddings at the time of Jesus? 4, there's an easy one. What did they run out of at the wedding? 5, how many stone water jars were there? That's difficult. You had to be listening closely. And number 6, how much water did 1 jar hold? How many litres of water or how many bottles of 2 litres would have fit into 1 stone jar? Whichever you can remember, it's the same amount. Number 7, what happened to the water? And number 8, I said that Christians believe that when God is involved in everyday situations, everyday things can become what? Or ordinary things can become what? So when God is involved, ordinary things can become something, or you could write the other answer, everyday things become something. Okay, shall we go through the answers then? Number 1, how many miracles of Jesus are recorded in the Gospels? If you put 34, 35, 36, 37 or 38, have a point for that. Number 2, there are 3 groups of miracles. I said name one. So you could say power over nature, healing, or raising the dead. One of those gets you a point. Number 3, what 2 drinks were available in Jesus' time? Water and wine. Number 4, easy one, what did they run out of the wedding? Wine. Number 5, how well were you listening? How many stone water jars were there? 6. And number 6, how much water did each jar hold? It was 80 litres or 40 of these bottles. And number 7, easy one, what happened to the water? It changed into wine. Number 8, I said that Christians believe when God is at work, everyday things become special or ordinary things become extraordinary. So a point if you said one of those words. Don't worry about the spelling for extraordinary. Extraordinary, it's extra and ordinary, but all in one word. Anyway, hope you've done well at that quiz. Just a quick one for those of you that are good at maths. If there's 80 litres in 1 stone water jar, and there's 6 stone water jars, how many litres of water altogether? 6 stone water jars, 80 litres in each jar. It's 480 litres. 6 times 80. 6 8s, 48, add a 0, 480. Now, one other thing I could suggest if you wanted to do it, either if your teacher thinks it's a good idea, you can do it in class, or you might like to do it at home, and that is to pretend that you are a newspaper reporter and you were at the wedding and you wrote an article about seeing Jesus change the water into wine. So you've got to think of a really good heading that newspaper reports have to make people interested. Try to make it attractive so that people want to read it. And then write as though you're a newspaper reporter. Perhaps you could be writing for the Cana Herald or the Galilean Gazette or the Jerusalem Journal or something. But that's up to you. You're up to your teacher. Or if you wanted to do it at home, you could have a go at that. Anyway, really good to be with you again. And I hope to actually meet you in person later on in the year. Bye. Bye.